Listen up. You think you're working hard at your desk, but your belly is working harder, expanding every day. Your job is dictating your health, and that stops now. I'll show you 4 lightning-fast, high-protein meals to fuel your body and brain. No more sluggish afternoons. Are you ready to take back control, or will your desk chair be your throne of mediocrity? Let's get to work. Let's kick things off with a meal that's about to change your lunch game forever: the chili lime steak and crunch slaw box. This isn't just another meal prep idea, it's a flavor-packed, protein-loaded powerhouse designed to crush hunger and keep you energized all afternoon. If you're tired of bland salads and boring sandwiches, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. With just 520 calories and a whopping 45 grams of protein, this box is the definition of smart eating. And the best part? You can whip it up in just 8 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 8 minutes from start to finish, and you'll have a meal that's as satisfying as it is nutritious. Start by grabbing a lean cut of steak. Think sirloin or flank for maximum flavor and tenderness. Slice it thin, against the grain, so every bite is tender and juicy. Now it's time to build that bold flavor. Sprinkle on chili powder, cumin, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. This is where the magic happens. Take a moment to really massage those spices into the meat. This isn't just about flavor, it's about respect. When you treat your steak right, it rewards you with every bite. Let those spices sink in while you prep the rest. Next, let's build the crunch slaw. Grab some red and white cabbage for color and crunch and shred them finely. Add in some carrot for sweetness and a handful of fresh cilantro for that herby kick. This slaw isn't just a side, it's the perfect, refreshing base for your steak. Now let's make a creamy, tangy dressing that ties it all together. In a small bowl, whisk together fresh lime juice, thick Greek yogurt, a drizzle of honey, and a pinch of salt. The lime wakes everything up, the yogurt adds creaminess, and the honey balances it all out. This dressing is so good, you'll want to put it on everything. Pour that luscious dressing over your slaw and toss it well. Make sure every shred of cabbage and carrot gets coated. This is where the crunch meets the creaminess, and every bite becomes a flavor explosion. Time to cook the steak. Heat a pan until it's almost smoking, then add a splash of oil. Lay the steak slices in a single layer. Don't crowd the pan, or you'll steam the meat instead of searing it. Listen for that sizzle. That's the sound of flavor locking in. Sear each side for just a minute or two until you get that gorgeous caramelized crust. Once the steak is cooked to your liking, let it rest for a minute. This keeps it juicy and tender. Then, pile those beautiful slices right over your crunchy slaw in your meal prep container. The contrast of hot steak and cool slaw is unbeatable. Finish it off with an extra drizzle of that creamy dressing and a fresh squeeze of lime. The brightness cuts through the richness of the steak, making every bite pop with flavor. Now imagine opening this at your desk. This isn't a sad wilted salad or a soggy sandwich. This is a vibrant, colorful, protein-packed power lunch that'll make you the envy of the office. It's the kind of meal that makes you look forward to lunchtime. In just 8 minutes, you've created a meal that doesn't just fill you up, it fuels you. The protein keeps you full, the veggies keep you fresh, and the flavors keep you coming back for more. You'll power through your afternoon meetings with energy to spare. So pack it up, snap that lid shut, and get ready to make your coworkers jealous. This is more than just lunch. It's a statement. Stay tuned for the next meal, and keep your lunch game strong. Next up, we're diving into the garlic yogurt chicken power bowl, a meal prep hero that's about to transform your weekday lunches. Imagine prepping 3 hearty, protein-packed lunches in just 20 minutes, all in one go. This isn't just about saving time, it's about fueling your body with real delicious food that keeps you energized and satisfied, no matter how busy your week gets. Start by grabbing a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cutting them into bite-sized cubes. In a mixing bowl, combine creamy Greek yogurt, freshly grated garlic, a squeeze of lemon juice, smoked paprika, dried oregano, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. Toss the chicken cubes in this tangy, aromatic marinade, making sure every piece is coated. The yogurt not only tenderizes the chicken, but also infuses it with incredible flavor, making each bite juicy and satisfying. While the chicken soaks up all those flavors, turn your attention to the base of your bowls. Cook up a generous batch of your favorite grain, quinoa for a nutty, protein-rich option, brown rice for a classic, hearty base, or lentils if you want an extra boost of fiber and plant-based protein. Let them simmer away on the stove until fluffy and tender. Cooking grains in bulk not only saves time, but also gives you a versatile foundation for meals all week long. Once your grains are nearly done, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil, then lay in the marinated chicken cubes. Listen for that satisfying sizzle as the chicken hits the pan. Sear the cubes, turning occasionally, until they're golden brown and caramelized on the outside, and cooked through and tender on the inside. The yogurt marinade helps create a beautiful crust, locking in moisture and flavor. Now it's time to assemble. Divide your cooked grains evenly into 3 meal prep containers. This step is all about setting yourself up for success. Portioning out your base ahead of time means you're always just minutes away from a balanced, homemade meal. Next, pile the juicy, golden brown chicken cubes right on top of the grains. The contrast of warm, savory chicken against the fluffy grains is what makes this bowl so satisfying. Each container is now packed with lean protein and complex carbs, giving you the energy you need to power through your day. For a burst of freshness and crunch, add a handful of chopped cucumber, juicy cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced red onion, and a generous handful of baby spinach to each bowl. These veggies not only add color and texture, but also pack in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to keep you feeling your best. To tie it all together, whip up a quick sauce by mixing Greek yogurt with a squeeze of lemon juice, a sprinkle of fresh or dried dill, and a pinch of salt. Drizzle this creamy, tangy sauce over each bowl for a finishing touch that brings all the flavors together. It's bright herby and totally crave-worthy. Just like that, you've got 3 vibrant, nourishing lunches ready to grab and go. No more last-minute vending machine runs or settling for sad, soggy sandwiches from the corner store. With these chicken power bowls, you're taking control of your nutrition and your schedule. Each bite is a reminder that you deserve better than whatever's lurking in the office fridge. Picture yourself opening your lunch at work, a fresh homemade meal that's colorful, filling, and made with ingredients you trust. Your fridge is lined with healthy options, and you're ready to tackle the week with confidence and energy. This is the power of planning ahead. Prep once, and you're set for days. No more scrambling or reacting to hunger. Just smart, intentional eating that supports your goals. Whether you're meal prepping for yourself or your whole family, this simple routine can make a huge difference in your week. Your future self will thank you for every minute you invest today. So let's keep going. There's more delicious, healthy inspiration ahead. No time. Here's a 5-minute, no-cook spicy tuna and white bean desk bowl. Drain quality canned tuna, flake into a bowl, rinse canned white beans, add 2 tuna, toss in chopped red onion, parsley or celery, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Sprinkle red pepper flakes, salt, and black pepper. Mix gently, don't mash. Finish with a drizzle of good olive oil. Packed with protein and fiber, this bowl keeps you full and focused. No microwave, no fuss. Eat straight from the container. This is your emergency weapon against bad choices. 5 minutes, 0 excuses. Let's wrap it up. For our final recipe, we're making the turkey egg skillet wrap, a meal so quick and satisfying, it almost feels like you're breaking the rules. Imagine this, in just 9 minutes, you'll have a warm, protein-packed wrap that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a speedy dinner. This is the kind of meal that makes you wonder why you ever settled for bland sandwiches or sad desk salads. Start by cracking a couple of eggs into a bowl, add a splash of water. This little trick makes your eggs extra fluffy. Season generously with salt and pepper, and whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined. The water helps steam the eggs as they cook, giving you that soft, creamy texture every time. Next, heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high. Add lean ground turkey, and break it up with a spatula. Sprinkle in smoked paprika for a subtle, smoky depth, plus garlic and onion powder for that savory punch. Let the turkey brown, stirring occasionally, until it's cooked through and fragrant. The spices will fill your kitchen with an aroma that's hard to resist. Once the turkey is browned, push it to one side of the skillet. Pour your whisked eggs into the empty space. Let them sit for a moment, then gently scramble, folding them over themselves until just set. Cooking the eggs right next to the turkey lets all those flavors mingle together, making every bite more delicious. Now, bring the turkey and eggs together in the pan. Fold them gently so the eggs stay soft and creamy, and the turkey stays juicy. The result? A perfectly seasoned, protein-rich filling that's hearty but never heavy. This is the kind of filling that makes you look forward to lunch. Lay a whole wheat tortilla flat on your counter. This is your canvas. For a boost of color and nutrition, add a handful of baby spinach or a few slices of creamy avocado. The greens add freshness and crunch while avocado brings healthy fats and a buttery texture. You can even add both if you're feeling extra. Spoon the hot turkey egg mixture right onto the center of your tortilla. If you're a cheese lover, now's the time to sprinkle a little shredded cheddar or mozzarella over the top. The heat from the filling will melt the cheese just enough to make everything gooey and irresistible. But honestly, it's just as good without it if you want to keep things lighter. Fold in the sides of the tortilla, then roll it up tightly from the bottom. The goal is to keep all that delicious filling tucked inside, so every bite is packed with flavor. Rolling it tight also makes it easier to eat on the go. No mess, no fuss. Grab a sharp knife and slice your wrap in half on the diagonal. Take a moment to admire the cross-section. The layers of turkey, fluffy eggs, greens, and maybe a little melted cheese. It's colorful, inviting, and looks like something you'd buy at a trendy cafe. Place your wrap halves into a lunch container or wrap them up in parchment paper for easy transport. This wrap is perfect for meal prep. Make a few ahead of time, and you'll have a grab-and-go option ready for any busy day. It stays fresh, holds together well, and tastes just as good cold as it does warm. And here's the best part, you only used one pan, so cleanup is a breeze. 9 minutes from start to finish, and your kitchen is still spotless. No piles of dishes, no complicated steps, just simple, wholesome food that fits your schedule. Whether you're powering through a morning meeting, hustling to meet a deadline, or just need a quick, nourishing meal between tasks, this skillet wrap has your back. It's the antidote to boring lunches, and the secret weapon for staying energized all day long. With your turkey egg skillet wrap packed and ready, you're set for whatever the day throws at you. Quick, healthy, and totally satisfying. This is how you finish strong every single time. 4 meals, no excuses. Steak box chicken bowls, tuna bomb skillet wrap. If you can't make time for these, you're choosing your belly over your health. Take ownership. Your health is your responsibility. These meals are your tools to beat the 9 to 6 slump. Make one this week. That's your challenge. Subscribe to SlimSync. We fix busy bodies. Next up, the 5-minute office snack that kills cravings. Now get cooking. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.